Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. Looks like today we're doing number 301. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these boxes, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. And that means that our 9 is here. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 has to be here. I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 8. No help here, 3, 6, 8. And no help here, 3, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 4. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. No help here, so 5, 6, 8. 8 here, so 5, 6. 6 here, so 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 here and a 3 here, so that means this is our 8. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. This 8 comes up here, makes this our 4, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 8. A 4 here, so 1, 8. And no help here, 1, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, 7, and 8. No help here, 1, 5, 7, 8. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 7, 8. 1 and 7 here, so 5, 8. 7 and 8 here, so 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so 5, 6. 1 here, so 3, 5, 6. And that 1 again makes this 3, 5, 6. But now if we look at this column, the only place our 1 can be is here. And then we can get rid of this 1. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. That means we can get rid of this 3, this 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, 8, and 9. Don't see any help here. 1, 6, 8, 9. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 1, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 2. 1 and 2 here. So 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 6, 9. And no help here, 5, 6, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 6 here, so 4, 5, 7. No help here, 4, 5, 6, 7. But now if we look, the only place in that row our 8 can be is here. That 8 makes this our 6, 5. Now we can get rid of this 8, this 8, this 8. That makes this our 1. We can get rid of this 1. And with the 6 now, we can get rid of this 6, which makes this our 8, 9, and 1. That 9 makes this our 8. This 8 makes this our 6, 3. And then we can get rid of this 5, and this 5. This 1 now makes this our 4, 8. And this 8 makes this our 5. So now we can get rid of this 4. This 5 means we can get rid of this 5, this 5, this 5, this 5. That makes this our 6. So we can get rid of this 6. Oh, and we've made a mistake somehow because we've got 2 8s now in this row. All right, well that will do it for today's puzzle. Leave a comment down below if you see where I made a mistake. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.